All the bones in our body together form a framework called the skeleton. Without the skeleton, our body would collapse. The skeleton gives the body its strength and shape. The hard skeleton also protects the brain, heart, lungs and other soft organs of our body. All the bones in our body are of different shapes and sizes. For example, the leg and the arm bones are long. The chest bones are thin and rounded. And the bones in our little finger is short. The bones in our head are flat and rounded. They are flat and rounded. The skeleton of an adult human is made up of 206 bones. At birth, we have more bones, but when we grow, they join together and they also become longer and larger. New cells are added to our bones when we grow. The skeletal system is divided into two. The appendicular skeleton and the axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton. It consists of 126 bones. The bones of the appendicular skeleton are arms, legs, along with the shoulder bones and hip bone. Axial skeleton. The bones of the axial skeleton are the skull, spine, ribs and the breastbone. It consists of 80 bones. Now let's know about the parts of the skeleton. They are the skull, backbone, the ribs and the limbs. Today I am going to explain about the skull. The skull consists of 22 different bones. The bones in our head make up the skull. The skull bones are immovable, but only the lower jaw can move. The skull. The upper part of the skull consists of 8 cranial bones. The skull protects the brain and has holes for eyes, nose, ears and mouth. Now let's know about the 8 cranial bones. Cranial bones. 1 frontal bone, 1 sphenoid bone, 1 ethmoid bone, 1 occipital bone, 2 temporal bones and 2 parietal bones. The skull consists of cranial and facial bones. Cranial means that is in our head only we have 8 bones. That's the upper part that I told already. Now the facial bones. The facial bones, that is in our face alone, there are 14 bones. These 14 bones are facial bones. Now let's know about that 14 bones one by one. Facial bones. 2 palatine bones, 2 zygomatic bones, 1 mandible bone, 1 vomer bone, 2 maxilla bones, 2 inferior nasal concha bones, 2 lacrimal bones, 2 nasal bones. Together 8 plus 4